Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable save option on Snapchat. By disabling save option on Snapchat, it will help you to prevent friends from saving your messages within chat. For this, you need to open your Snapchat on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. With this, here you'll be taken to camera section. Now tap on a small chat icon on the down. After this, here you'll be able to view all your Snapchat chats. Now tap on Bitmoji of a specific person with whom you want to disable save option. After this, you'll be able to find the person. And now here you'll be able to find three dots on the top right. Tap on three dots. Now here, tap on chat and notification setting option. Now here you'll be able to find delete chats option. Tap on delete chats. Now tap on after viewing option on the first. With this, now the person won't be able to save the chat, as the chat will disappear right after the person views your chat. This is how we can disable save option on Snapchat. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.